नहीं चाहते हैं। देखो ये बिताए हो शिरा वामन गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतसमाद भक्ति वेदांत।
So first of all, my obeisance to my Gurudev, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and also to Nitya Pravistam Vishnupad, Astatrasha, Srila Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, to their lotus feet, which remove all the fear, my obeisance again to their lotus feet, and also to the lotus feet of all the Vaishnava, all the sannyasis, all the mothers, all the devotees, all those who are eager to listen to Harikatha. So again, my obeisance to everyone, according to everyone's eligibility. So under the guidance of Guru Vaishnavas, we're doing the parikrama of 84 kosh, and the place where we are now, this place is Belvan. So now you've heard there are 12 forests, special 12 forests in Vrindavan. There are also 12 forests, 12 vans, 12 forests, and also 12 sub-forests, or upavan in Vrindavan.
इस द्वादश वन में जो मुख्य वन दिखा गया, इसमें बेल वन की विशेष प्रसिद्धि.
So Bel Van is very famous amongst one of these 12 forests of Vraj.
हमारे आचार्य पादों ने दिखाया.
Our acharyas, they show this.
देखो हम लोग कितने दुर्लभ स्थान में आए हैं.
So we came to such a rare place.
साधन भी कैसे होना चाहिए.
So to come to such a rare place, how is the sadhan?
दुर्लभ है.
Also rare.
गुरुदेव एक उदाहरण देते हैं.
Gurudev gave an example.
सभियों के चरण कमलों में मेरा जथा दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हूँ. हम लोग गुरु वैष्णव के अनुगत्य में 84 क्रोश ब्रजमंडल धाम परिक्रमा करते करते जहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं, यह स्थान बेलवन है. आप लोगों ने अभी श्रवण किया. ये ये ब्रज में जो है द्वादश वन विशेष दिखाया गया. उससे अपेक्षा और भी शास्त्र में कहा गया द्वादश उपवन भी है. 12 वन और 12 उपवन भी है. इस द्वादश वन में जो मुख्य वन दिखाया गया.
So Balvan is one of these 12 vans, 12 main forests of Vraj. Our acharyas describe this.
देखो हम लोग कितने दुर्लभ स्थान में आए.
So we came to such a rare place.
जो दुर्लभ वस्तु के प्राप्ति करना है, उसके साधन भी कैसे होना चाहिए.
So to be able to attain such a rare thing, the sadhana also to do this, to be able to attain here, this sadhana is also very rare. Gurudeva used to give an example. Like for example, how much money do you need to buy spinach? So there are many kinds of spinach, like leaves, you can buy fenugreek leaves or, that normal spinach. different kinds of leaves you can buy in the market, isn't it?
किंतु
Leafy
देखो
vegetables.
साग खरीदने में ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लगते हैं।
Like to buy spinach or like this leafy vegetables, you don't need so much money.
किंतु देखो
But
ये सोने चांदी आदि खरीदने में कितने पैसा लगता है?
but how much money do you need to buy gold, silver, you know? Then you need a lot of money to buy this.
बहुत पैसा, उससे भी अधिक
And
वस्तु, जो मूल्यवान वस्तु जैसे कहा जाता है हीरे।
but if you want to purchase a diamond, suppose, for a diamond, then you need even more money, isn't it?
डायमंड इसे खरीदने में कितने पैसा लगता है?
How much money do you need to buy a diamond?
चिंतामणि और
Or even if so, suppose if you want to buy a chintamani, you know, how do you say that? No, chintamani, you know, the desire stone. How much more money you need?
कितना पैसा लगता है?
How much money you need for that?
तात्पर्य है
So what I want to say is that
जो वस्तु इतने दुर्लभ है,
that thing which is so rare.
उतने दुर्लभ है, कठिन है।
So something is very rare. So the sadhana means the way to attain that thing which is rare is also very rare. So the example, you know, like if just Gurudev gave the example about the diamonds. So
यमुना पार करके
we've crossed the Jamuna
देखो हम लोग भटकते 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 भटकते
and we came to Belvan and we walked and we walked and we walked until like to come here.
लुढ़कते लुढ़कते किसी भी तरह से जो है लक्ष्मी देवी के चरण कमल में हम लोग
Somehow
पहुंच गए।
now we've reached the feet of Lakshmi Devi.
लक्ष्मी देवी की
Jai Lakshmi Devi ki jai.
ये लक्ष्मी देवी के इसके कहा जाता है, लक्ष्मी वन भी कहा जाता
So
है,
this place is also called Lakshmi Van and also Belvan.
वन भी कहा जाता है।
Belvan.
विशेष करके सभी लोग
Especially
के
everyone
नाम में प्रसिद्ध है,
everyone knows this place by the name Belvan. It's very famous by this name.
क्योंकि यहाँ की कथा यहाँ पर
Because
वर्णन है।
there's description here that once Narada Rishi, he was,
करते करते
you know, traveling everywhere, then he came to Vaikuntha.
नारद ऋषि देखो वृंदावन की गोपियों की महात्मा वर्णन करते हुए उन्होंने विशेष करके राधा आदि गोपियों के साथ कृष्ण के
So he started glorifying the gopis and Srimati Radhika and Rasalila and everything.
तो रासलीला की कथा वर्णन किया। इस रासलीला की कथा श्रवण करके
Listening to this,
हृदय में बहुत
Lakshmi Devi, she felt in her heart so much eagerness. She was thinking, I also want to enter Rasa.
नहीं है जो रास में प्रवेश करना नहीं चाहते,
Because there's no jiva that wouldn't want to enter Rasa. Because Rasa means
रास
Rasate Asadate iti Rasa.
जहाँ पर ऐसे कोई प्राणी है
Means a place like where so much Rasa Madhurya, so much sweetness, moods and everything. And so there's no one who wouldn't want to be in that place.
आस्वादन करना नहीं
Is there anyone who wouldn't like to relish Rasa? All these transcendental mellows?
चाहते। देखो इस संसार में हम लोग माइक जगत में पड़े
Like in this world, we're in material world, in the place of Maya. So also, we want to relish 6 kind of flavors. You know, rasa also means flavor or taste. So we want to also relish these flavors and tastes in the world, in this world, right?
करते ही नहीं,
Isn't it?
बुढ़वा भी लेते हैं,
Like bitter taste and also sweet taste. There are 6 kinds of flavors or tastes, you know. So
यहाँ के जो है
on our tongue,
अंदर में
inside our tongue, or upon our tongue.
स्थान के द्वारा हम लोग 6 प्रकार के रस आस्वादन करते हैं।
You know, our tongue, tongue. So there are 6 places in our tongue, and each spot of our tongue will relish or feel different kind of taste. One part of the tongue will feel bitter taste, another like sweet taste, another savory and astringent, etc.
जो बायोसाइंस आदि पढ़ते रहते
Those who study science, they know. Those who study biology, bioscience, they know.
हैं, जो है वो बता देते हैं।
Doctors also know about this, they can tell. So in this world there are 6 rasas, 6 flavors,
रस भोजन हम करते हैं,
and we eat according to these 6 kind of tastes.
किंतु देखो हम जिस कथा को रस आस्वादन करने के जा रहे हैं, वह हम श्रवण कर रहे हैं,
But the rasa that we are going to listen and talking about, the rasa here, this flavor or this taste is what?
उसके चीद रस।
Is chitras, means the transcendental mellows or transcendental taste or flavors.
ये चीद रस प्राप्ति करने के लिए इतने कठिन साधन भी करना पड़ेगा और उसमें
So to get this chitras, we must do, hard sadhan.
उत्तम रस जो बताया गया कौन सा,
And the highest rasa,
जो जलो रस सर्व रस सार
Ujjwala rasa,
भवे जथा रजते प्रति
is parakya rasa. Paramor mood is the highest mood.
एकमात्र रास विद्वान है
And this paramour mood is, very famous and exists only in Braj.
क्योंकि रास में विशेष जो वैशिष्ट दिखा परकिया भाव बिना रास नहीं होता.
Without parakya, rasa cannot take place.
इसलिए परकियत्व भी विशेष वैशिष्ट दिखा.
So you see the speciality of parakya.
किंतु देखो नारद ऋषि तो बहुत सुंदर सुंदर रूप में रास की कथा वर्णन किया, कैसे गोपियां कृष्ण के साथ रास विहार आदि की और परात्पर परतत्व कृष्ण.
So Narada, he told this katha, no? How Krishna, he was doing Ras Leela with the gopis, and Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
जिनके 64 गुण में जो है 4 मधुरिमा जो सर्वोत्तम.
And Krishna has 64 qualities, and 4 amongst them are the highest.
ये चारों गुणों की से वैशिष्ट दिखाएगा. और रास में विशेष करके जो है कृष्ण के 2 मधुरिमा सर्वोत्तम.
And especially 2 qualities of Krishna are highest. Which one?
मधुरिमा माने वेणु के धनी जो है.
Venu Madhurima means the sound of the flute.
कृष्ण के वेणु ध्वनि सुन करके सारे गोपियां अपने अपने गृह कर्म आदि.
Listening to the sound of the flutes, all gopis, they gave up their household duties and they started running towards Govinda.
देखो इससे कहा जाता है कि कृष्ण के वेणु ध्वनि के मधुरिमा है. और दूसरी है कृष्ण के.
So the sound of the flutes of Krishna, and second is Rupa Madhurima, means the beauty of Krishna's form is so beautiful, right? Everybody becomes completely enchanted by seeing Krishna. So Krishna manifested his most beautiful form in the Rasa Leela. Who is the highest Naika, highest heroine in Rasa dance is Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika shows. So in the Rasa dance there is so much dancing, singing and etc.
कृष्ण के वेणु ध्वनि सुन करके सारे गोपियां अपने अपने गृह कर्म आदि त्याग दे करके गोविंद के तरफ दौड़ने लगे. देखो इससे कहा जाता है कि कृष्ण के वेणु ध्वनि के मधुरिमा. और दूसरी है कृष्ण के दूसरी क्या बताया रूपा मधुरिमा. कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर रूप जे रूप दर्शन करके सभी मोहित हो जाते हैं.
Krishna manifests his most beautiful form in the Rasa Leela. So in front of Srimati Radhika is the highest heroine. So in front of her, Krishna manifests his most beautiful form. So in the Rasa, there's so much dancing, singing, etc. So 1 or 2 days ago, also you've listened about it. Maharaj or maybe some Brahmachari spoke about it. Some Vaishnava was speaking that in the Rasa, Saubhagya mud and also man, these 2 things happened. So some gopis, they had this Saubhagya mud. And Srimati Radhika, she felt man, she became sulky with sulky mood. So Krishna disappeared from the Rasa dance to be able to pacify the man of Srimati Radhika and also to be able to destroy the Saubhagyamad, the pride of the good fortune or intoxication of the good fortune that the gopis were feeling. And then after that, how Krishna, he was playing with the gopis again.
और श्रीमती राधे के क्या हुई मान.
So to destroy the pride of the good fortune that the gopis were having, and also to be able to pacify Srimati Radhika, her man, Sakhimud, Krishna disappeared from the Rasa. And also the description how Krishna and the gopis again they did amorous pastimes later. So Narada Rishi is a Rasik devotee. Some people, it's said that Narada Rishi creates the quarrel amongst people, but this is not true actually. He is not creating this quarrel actually.
क्या करता है, प्रेम की उत्कर्षता
Actually, Narada
बढ़ाते हैं।
increases the prema, the love.
हाँ? प्रेम से कहा जाए प्रेम कंदल, कंदल माने प्रेम की जो है कंदल जहाँ पर घूर्णावत्त होता रहता
So when there's like a whirlpool of
उसी
love,
प्रकार नाद जी इतने
so in the same
सुंदर
way,
रूप में राशि
Narada
का
Rishi,
वर्णन किया,
in such a
देखो
beautiful way,
लक्ष्मी देवी के
he was describing the Rasalila Katha, that Lakshmi Devi heard that Katha and she,
हृदय में क्या हुआ,
in her heart, she
लोभ उत्पन्न
felt
हुआ,
so much lobha,
प्रेम तो हो गया,
eagerness.
किंतु लोभ होने से थोड़ी मिल जाएगा।
So she had lobha, but like eagerness, but lobha is not enough. This eagerness is not enough.
पी खाने में आपको लोभ हो गया, आज तो जलेबी बना ही दिया, किंतु
Okay, so you wanted to eat the jalebi, you know, the sweet, and then you cooked, you made jalebi. So
जिसके पेट में दर्द है, पेट के ठीक नहीं है, जिसके शुगर है,
but suppose you're not feeling okay, like your stomach's not good, or maybe you have sugar, like you have so much blood sugar, like high sugar in your blood. So even you wanted to eat jalebi, you have like somebody, or you cook the jalebi, but if you eat it,
शुगर 350 जिसको हो गया,
maybe for example your blood sugar is 350, imagine.
वो कैसे जलेबी खाएंगे, तो
How-
मिठाई है, वो आते आते इसी रास्ते में आते ही वो लोग लग जाए,
How will you be able to eat jalebi?
इसलिए उसके लोभ तो है सबके पास,
So everybody
लोभ से
has
नहीं काम भी नहीं चलेगा,
the greed. You know, greed is not enough.
इसके लिए भी कार्य करना, ये देखो
After that also you must do something. So
बोले कैसे रास्ते
so Lakshmi Devi, she had this lobe, but how would she be able to enter Ras?
बोले देखो सहज उपाय है,
There's a easy way.
भगवान के सर्वोत्तम जो है स्थान जो है वृंदावन,
Or the highest place of Lord is Vrindavan. So go to Vrindavan and do hard austerities. Narada told.
लक्ष्मी देवी को जो है सुंदर
So like this, Narada Rishi,
क्या बोले उपदेश दिया, सलाह
he gave beautiful instructions to Lakshmi Devi.
वैकुंठ के त्याग दे करके,
So Lakshmi Devi gave up Vaikuntha.
त्याग दे करके
She gave up all the opulence.
बेल वन में आकर
Lakshmi Devi
तपस्या करने
came to Balvan and she did the hard austerities.
के तट पर, और
Here at the banks of the Jamuna. And you see, under this tree, she sat under this tree.
हाथ जोड़ करके कठोर
She was folding her hands and doing hard austerities. For 1,000 years, not for only one day, for 1,000 years, she did hard austerities.
कठोर तपस्या आदि देख करके कृष्ण प्रकट हुए, कृष्ण कहने
And seeing her hard austerities, Krishna appeared and told Lakshmi, ask for a benediction. Then Lakshmi Devi told, Prabhu, if you want to give me some blessing, then I want to be able to enter the Ras just like a gopi. Please give me this benediction. Krishna told, hey Lakshmi,
अतीव दुर्लभ है, ये संभव नहीं है,
this is not possible
देखो रास
for
में
you.
प्रवेश करने के लिए कई शर्त है,
Because
ऐसे तैसे व्यक्ति
there is a process to enter Ras. Not anyone can enter Ras. There is a process for that.
एक तो देखो संत दास सख वात्सल्य, शांत दास सख वात्सल्य के रसिक जो साधक जो है, उनके लिए भी प्रवेश अधिकार नहीं, केवल एक सखी गणे कथा अधिकार, सखी लीला करते करे तथा
The devotees of like Santa Dasa Sakya Vatsalya, they don't have eligibility for Ras dance. Only the devotees of Madhurya Ras.
लीला सदै एकमात्र सखियों की
Only the Sakis actually, they can enter the Ras Lila. Only the Sakis.
तात्पर्य क्या है,
So what does it mean?
रस के जो सेवक सेविका
Those who,
साधिका जो है,
sadhakas and sadhikas, like female and male sadhakas, and servants and male and female, but in the Madhura Rasa, then they can enter Ras Lila.
प्रवेश अधिकार प्राप्त करते
They are eligible to enter Ras Lila.
देखो आगे जाकर के कहने लगे, कृष्ण कहने लगे, हे लक्ष्मी देवी तुम तो वैकुंठ में रहते हो,
And then not only that, Krishna also told, hey Lakshmi, you live in Vaikuntha.
वैकुंठ में कहा जाता है कौन सा रस है, शांत प्रधान दास,
So in Vaikuntha, the Shanta Pradhan Dasaras means the neutral mood is prominent and Dasaras is secondary in Vaikuntha.
होता है, शांत में केवल निष्ठा होता है,
Shanta, there is only Nishtha. In Dasa, there is Seva Vritti.
वैकुंठ में केवल निष्ठा मात्र रहता है,
In Vaikuntha, there is only Nishtha,
निष्ठा तत्व है,
loyalty to their worshipable deity. So,
समय प्रवेश नहीं किया, इसलिए तो कहाँ और ब्रजभूमि ऐसे सुंदर,
so you have your Nishtha, your loyalty, your steadiness, your Istadev, but you don't have even this like Seva Vritti, not yet. So,
दिव्य अलौकिक
Vraja is a transcendental place.
सर्वानंद मुकुंद दैतं लीलानुकुलं परम शास्त्रीय स्फुटं निष्कंतं जांचया ब्रह्मादि विशस्त्रेण
Raghunath Das Goswami explains in this shloka that Vraj is not an ordinary place. Vraj is such a sweet place, full of actually Vraja. There's only one rasa in Vraja. Which rasa? Madhur rasa, conjugal mood. But if you say, oh, but where are the other rasas in Vrindavana? Actually, all the other rasas, they are mixing in the Madhura rasa. Just like all the rivers, they flow in different countries, in different states, in different lands. But later, these rivers, all they come and they mix, their waters come to the ocean, right? And inside the ocean, all these rivers, they mix. Like they mix in the ocean, they are there. So all the rasas actually they are also inside Madhura rasa. So you should keep your doubts very far from you. Like you should remove these doubts. So all the rasas are included in Madhura rasa. So from Madhura rasa, all the rasas they come, they manifest, and then the living entities are able to serve Krishna. So you should remove this doubt. So Krishna told, so Lakshmi Devi, you have Dasya more prominent you have Shanta more prominent and Dasya secondary because you're from Vaikuntha. But in Vraja, the most prominent is actually conjugal mood, paramor mood. So you have to develop that. Otherwise, without paramor mood, you cannot come to Rasalila, Krishna told her. So all the rasas, they are included in Madhura rasa, and they come from Madhura rasa, and like this, they are able to serve the beloved Krishna. So like this, your doubt should be removed. So Krishna told, you have Shanta Pradhan, Dasya rasa, you have most prominent Shanta rasa. So in Braja, the most prominent is actually Paramor mood. But with Rasa Lila, actually, because in conjugal mood, there are two other kinds, right? Swakiya and Parakiya means like wedded love or Paramor mood. And Krishna told her, actually, you must have Parakiya, like the Paramor mood. Otherwise, cannot go to Rasa. Otherwise, don't have eligibility to enter in Rasa. So you must take birth in Braj. If you don't take birth in Braj, then it will not be possible. But also, taking birth only, it's not enough. You have to take birth from the womb of a gopi. You have to be able to get the body of a gopi. Being only a man, like in the male body, it won't be possible. You understand or not? So everybody will have to change, left to right. Oh, sorry, right to left. Like right to left, you must have a woman body. You have to get the body of a gopi in Braj. You have to be born in the house of a gopi, in the womb of a gopi. Then you have to get married to a gopa. Lakshmi Devi said, what? But I'm one pointed to my husband, a chaste lady. How can I get married to someone else? And how can I associate with another person then? And then Krishna said, yes, this in Vraj like this. Then
विवाह उसमें भी नहीं है। देखो
So you have to get married to another Gopa, and also you have to learn the Braja language, the language of Braj. Also you have to do this like Kaudang patties.
ब्रज की गाली भी सीखना पड़ेगा।
Also you must learn how to swear like the Vrajavasis, like swear, calling names, you know, like insulting words. You have to learn how to swear like the Brajavasis.
हाँ, जब तक ब्रज के गाली नहीं सीखे कैसे ब्रजवासी कैसे माना जाएगा?
So if you don't know how to swear like the Vrajavasis, you know, swear like call names or speak like these insulting words, like these calling names. If you don't know how to swear like the Vrajavasis, how can people really think that you're a Vrajavasi, right?
हाँ, कैसे थोड़े नहीं सीखा।
So you must learn.
सारे बोलते रहते हैं ना कैसे कैसे बोलता है, हाँ? देखो ऐसे बोलना पड़ता है, हाँ? तो उसी प्रकार और दूसरी है क्या परकीय भाव माने छुप करके
And also in Parakya Bhav, you have to meet me hiddenly.
ये सब नियम के पालन नहीं करना चाहिए बोले ये
So Lakshmi Devi didn't want to follow these rules.
कृष्ण बोले यदि संभव नहीं है ब्रज में ये रास में प्रवेश करना संभव।
Then Krishna told, if you can't follow all these rules, so you cannot enter the Ras Leela then.
देखो चैतन्य महाप्रभु उसी कथा को जो है वेंकट त्रिमल्ल भट्ट और प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती का निकट यही कथा
So this Katha Mahaprabhu told to Trimala Bhatta, Venkata Bhatta and Prabhupada Saraswati.
सुनाया है। लक्ष्मी ब्रज में प्रवेश अधिकार प्राप्त नहीं किया किंतु देखो श्रुतियां
So Radha no. Lakshmi could not enter the Ras Leela, but the Shrutis,
तपोनिया उपनिषद आदि
like Gopal Tapani Upanishads,
मान धारण करके
they manifested in a personified form. They did austerities and they could enter the Ras Leela.
क्यों?
Why? Because they were under the guidance of the gopis.
देखो ब्रज में गोपियों की रास में प्रवेश करने के लिए एक विशेष है गोपी
So to enter the Rasa Leela, you must be under the guidance of the gopis.
ना पाए ब्रजेंद्र नंदन ये समस्त विचार रखना पड़ता है, हाँ? ये समस्त गौड़ीय सिद्धांत है, इसलिए कहते हैं तब उस समय लक्ष्मी देवी करने मेरा
So this all Gauriya Siddhanta is like this.
संभव नहीं है। अंत में भगवान ने क्या की लक्ष्मी के ऐसे कठोर तपस्या देख करके लक्ष्मी के क्या की ना अपने
But then seeing the hard steps of Lakshmi, Krishna gave something to her.
लक्ष्मी ब्रज में प्रवेश अधिकार प्राप्त नहीं किया किंतु देखो श्रुतियां गोपाल तपोनिया उपनिषद आदि साक्षात मूर्तिमान धारण करके
So the Shrutis, they were able to enter Rasa Leela. Why? Because they were under the guidance of the gopis.
देखो ब्रज में गोपियों की रात में प्रवेश करने के लिए एक विशेष है गोपी
So to enter Rasa Leela, we must be under the guidance of the gopis.
वैसे से गणे ना पाए ब्रजेंद्र नंदन ये समस्त विचार रखना पड़ता है, हाँ? ये समस्त गौड़ीय सिद्धांत है।
So this is Gauriya Siddhanta.
तब उस समय लक्ष्मी देवी करने मेरा द्वारा संभव नहीं है।
So Lakshmi Devi said, it is not possible for me. But then Bhagavan, he saw the hard steps of Lakshmi, and Krishna gave the position of Lakshmi just like a golden line upon his chest. Krishna accepted her like this, but she could not enter Rasa Leela. So this is a special place of Lakshmi. But if you say, why did you come to the place of Lakshmi if she didn't even get it? If she couldn't get what she wanted, why do we come here if she couldn't even get it, right? If she doesn't have, for example, if you have 50 rupees, then if you ask me, oh, give me 50 rupees, I can give you 50 rupees because I have a 50 rupee note. But if you have an empty pocket, if you don't have any money on you, for example, my pocket also is empty, completely empty, this side and this side also. I don't have anything. So if somebody asks, Maharaj, give me 50 rupees, I'll tell you, oh, my pocket is empty, how can I give you something? So Lakshmi Devi, she's folding hands here, she's having the folded hands. So if you're a beggar and you go to another beggar begging for something, then what can this person give to you? Can he give you something? Tell me, you can tell me. So that person is a beggar and you also a beggar. So we are on the same boat here. So everybody's in the same boat, you know. So what is the meaning here?
है ही नहीं हैं? तो देखो, तो हमें कोई मांगे कि महाराज मुझे 50 रुपया दे दे, मेरे पास ये क्यों खाली है, कहाँ से दे दे? तो लक्ष्मी देवी यहाँ पर हाथ जोड़ कर, स्वयं लक्ष्मी देवी हाथ जोड़ कर भिखारी, एक भिखारी के पास दूसरे भिखारी को भीख मांगे, क्या वो दे देंगे?
So
बताइए।
if you So if you beg something, if you ask for some beg alms to another beggar, he cannot give you anything because that person is also a beggar.
एक नाव में हम सब बैठे हुए हैं, और नाव दूसरी नाव डूबने वाले हैं, और हम कैसे क्या चले जाएंगे? सभी तो एक ही नाव में बैठे हुए।
Like suppose the boat is sinking, you know, but we are on the same boat. How can we have some rescue or something because we're all in the same boat? So until nowadays, until now, so Lakshmi Devi, she couldn't get her what she wanted. She couldn't get the goal she wanted to attain. So why do we come to her? Why do we come here? So Srila Trivikram Maharaj, when he used to come here, so Srila Trivikram Maharaj, when he used to come here, he used to make this question to Pujapada Srila Bhakti Jivan Janardana Goswami Maharaj and also to Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Our Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he was so Vedantic. He was so knowledgeable, scholar person. Because actually his question also was so important, you know, he was raising this question. But his question had a special, you know, purpose. We don't even know how to make a question. We don't even know how to make a question. So we see Lakshmi here, she's folding, having her hands folding, like she's folding hands, her position folded hands. So if Lakshmi Devi herself couldn't attain it, so how can we attain it? So Gurudev used to say a beautiful answer. What is saying in the Gopi Gita? Vikana means Lord Brahma. So by the prayer of Brahma, Krishna himself, he appeared in Braj. The Gopis say this shloka in Gopi Gita. In the Gopi Gita. So in the same way, Brahma is in Dasya Rasa. Brahmaji is called Adhikarik Dasya. If Brahmaji couldn't attain it, so you've heard the story of Drona and Dara. They worshipped Brahmaji. And Brahmaji gave them Vatsala Bhav to Drona and Dara. Do you know the story? You know the story of Drona and Dara, right? So they've asked to Brahma Ji that they would have Vatsala Ras towards God in their hearts. Brahmaji told, okay, I give you this benediction. But Brahmaji, he's in the Dasya Ras, servitual mood. How can Vatsala Ras come to his heart and then he can give Vatsala Ras to Drona and Dara? How possible? But in the commentaries they explain that Brahmaji is a great devotee. Brahmaji is a great devotee. He's a devotee of God. So those words that come from the mouth, lotus mouth of the pure devotees, these words, they are Vedavani. They are directly the Vedavani, instruction of the Vedas. They are truth. They become true. Like they always be truth. The truth. You know, they always be true. They are the truth. The words that come from the lotus mouth of a devotee of God. So when Brahmaji gave them this benediction, Brahmaji told, Vatsala Rasa will come in your hearts, in the hearts of Drona and Dara. So actually Brahmaji is in Dasya Rasa, spiritual mood. But when he gave this benediction to be able to fulfill the blessing of Brahma, Bhagavan, he manifested
द्रोण और धरा प्रवेश किया।
When Krishna manifested, then Drona and Dara entered the bodies of Nanda and
और
Yashoda.
प्रवेश करके
And after entering their body,
है आस्वादन किया।
Drona and Dara could also relish Vatsalya Bhav.
किंतु कृष्ण के नित्य माता पिता नंदा जसोदा,
But the eternal parents, Krishna's eternal parents are Nanda and Yashoda.
तो जब प्रकट लीला होती है,
But when the Prakat Lila takes place, when the pastimes in the material world takes place,
प्रकट लीला में द्रोण
then
धरा नंदा जसोदा के अंदर में
Drona and Dara, they enter the body of Nanda and Yashoda, and they also relish Vatsalya Bhav.
और फिर लीला प्रकट समाप्त होने के
And when the Leelas end in the universe, material universe,
पड़ोसी के रूप में
then they go to the transcendental world and they become like neighbors of Krishna there.
जब भी प्राप्ति नहीं हुई,
So actually Lakshmi Devi, she couldn't attain.
केवल वचन दे दे
But Lakshmi Devi, she can give us this blessing, she can give us her words,
और आप लोग के हृदय में
that in our hearts, may Shingaras, Madhuryaras, Parakyaras manifest in our hearts. Then if she gives us this kind of benediction, that Madhuryaras must come in our hearts, certainly it will come.
ये लक्ष्मी देवी का साधारण नहीं,
Because Lakshmi Devi, she's not ordinary. Lakshmi Devi is directly
प्रकाश विग्रह
the Prakash Vigraha, the manifestation of Shrimati Radhika.
के रूप में प्रकाश
Shrimati Radhika manifests in 3 forms.
के रूप में
Vaikuntha is Lakshmi, in Vaikuntha is Lakshmi. Also in Dwaraka, Shrimati Radhika is in the form of the queens. And in Vraja, the Shrimati Radhika is in the form of the gopis. So Lakshmi is not ordinary. That's why we pray to Lakshmi Devi. Hey Lakshmi Devi, may please bless us that this bhav, come in our heart.
हैं, ये राधा गोविंद के अपराकित दिव्य रासलीला में प्रवेश अधिकार प्राप्त करें,
That we can attain this eligibility of be able to enter the transcendental Ras Leela of Radha Govinda,
विग्रह में जन्म,
that we can take birth in the house of a gopi,
ये समस्त आदि कथा जैसे वो समस्त हम प्राप्त
and all this we can attain to that. Vanchakal.
अधिकानां पावने भो वैष्णवे
Just some mistake I did in the previous video. In the end, I told like
न बोला।
in the previous video, I mentioned that Gupi also means cow. I thought that, but I was mistaken. Gupi actually has no meaning at all. It's just some joke that people do sometimes, Gurudev told. And so it's just a joke, but that people make. But Gopi, everybody knows. No, Gopi means the Braj ladies, also means cows, Veda, senses, many meanings. But Gopi, actually, there's no meaning of Gopi, but people joke with this word, Gopi.